Let's clean your Gevi VelPro 400 coffee grinder. First, ensure the power is turned off. Prepare a brush and a cloth for cleaning. Press and hold the power button on the digital scale for 2 seconds to turn it off. Separate the dosing cup and the digital scale. Pour the coffee grounds remaining in the dosing cup into a container. Use the brush to clean the inside of the dosing cup. Clean the digital scale and dosing cup with a soft cloth. Do not wash them with water or any other liquid. Put a dish under the grind outlet to catch any stray ground coffee that may fall. Detach the bean hopper extension. Use the brush to clean the bean hopper and bean hopper extension. Place the bean hopper extension on the bean hopper. Use the brush to clean the grind outlet. Remove the dish. Wipe the machine and outlet with a clean cloth. Now your Gevi VelPro 400 coffee grinder is clean and ready to use again.